This isn't about selling. It's about plugging into a system that already works. A lot of people hear online income and immediately think, oh, I'm not good at that. I'm not good at selling. But here's the truth. You don't need to be a salesperson to make money online. Because it's not about convincing people. It's about connecting people to something that's already proven. The system is there. The structure is there. The results are already happening. For over 3 years, already happening. Your job? Just plug in. Follow the steps and stay consistent. Think about it. Why try to build something from scratch when you can step into something that's already working? That's how smart people move. That's how smart people move. They don't reinvent the wheel. They use what's already rolling. So, no, this isn't about selling. It's about leverage. If you're ready to stop overthinking and start plugging into something real, put a yes in my comments and see how it works. Because the system is already working. The question here is, are you going to use it?